I'll just go ahead and delete this page so that you understand what I'm talking about. By default, this is usually page one, and what you're meant to do, what's expected of you is just double click. So normally this will be collapsed like this many times. So you see where you have page one here, click on it, right? Click on it to drop down. Then you have page one. Double click on it, call it day zero, right? And now you want to do today's task. You click on this plus and you type day one, right? The next do, sorry, one second. Let me remove this. The next thing you do on your day one is to create a frame. So you tap on frame. I will select phone and I choose to use iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you like, you can choose another phone. And now I have this frame here.